So you start off by splitting your hair in the middle. Yes, this is everything that comes off my hair from just brushing it like once or something. I just wanted to show you how I have damaged it. But yeah, we brush through our hair now, so we will cut the hair even. And now what I do is like split my hair into 4 sections and tie it so it will be straight down. And I just put like 4 ties into each sections or so, and yeah. So we will be using scissors, like something like this. And I was going to cut it, but like this was too much for me. I didn't want to cut off so much, so I just put another braid to my sections a little lower, so I won't cut off as much. So you want to make sure that the front ones are like even what you're going to cut off. So now that I'm happy with the length, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it like this. And then I will just make it even because it was kind of not like this. Then I just cut into it like this because I don't like having it like all straight. I want to cut something like this. And now we just do the same thing to the other one. We cut off. It was a little more hair that I had to cut off because my hair wasn't like accurate before. But yeah, and then I just cut a little bit into it like the other one I did. So I like having the two sections in front a little shorter than the ones back. So now we do the ones that are in the back, and I just brush through it and like check if it's the same length that I'm cutting, and it was kind of, but I had to fix it a little bit, but I think this is good. So now I just cut into the first one, like so much of it. I think it's very hard cutting my hair because I love my hair so much, but I know this is good for your hair, so I'm just toughing it out and doing it. Now again, you want to cut into the hair. And now the last one you will have to cut. Just do that. And then try to like fix this until you are okay with it, and check if it's like kind of the same length. And then again, you're just cutting into it. And now we're just going to take all the ties out to do the next step. So now that we have taken out the last tie, we're just going to have a look at it, how it is right now, and kind of brush through the hair. And now that I have done this, I'm going to fix it because I cut like shorter in the front and longer in the back, so I just try to cut a little bit so it is like sideways. I know some people do like a triangle right up where your forehead is and cut the hair like that, so you will get like not all straight, so you will have like shorter front and longer in the back. But I like just doing it like this, free-handed, and yeah, so I will just do all that and show you guys how I fixed it, and then show you the final result. I have been cutting my own hair for some years now, but when COVID came, I just started cutting my boyfriend hair also. So if you would like to see how I do that, comment down below and I will maybe make a video about that. I want to say that I think it's good to be able to cut your hair at home, and YouTube is amazing, so you can just learn how to do it on your own, because of COVID and quarantine and all that stuff, and many hair salons are closed. and have been many times, but I don't know how it is like now in the other countries. I'm in Iceland and it has been less people with COVID, but now it's going up again because the vaccine is apparently not preventing it as I would have hoped and we all would have hoped. So here is the final result. I think it's very good to have new cut hair, and I like doing it myself, so I will save money. And also, yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up.